What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Simple and Beautiful Life Kitchen, where today we are making something that I feel like I haven't made in a while. I might actually mess this up. Just kidding. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Shelby, and I am the owner of Simple and Beautiful Life, and we're the home of the SaBLe Soap Company. Within the SaBLe Soap Company, of course, we have to have bath bombs, because bath bombs are kind of an essential to the shower process now. They're kind of a necessity. We can't live without them. So, I have 2 bowls, which will be for 2 colors. I'm going to get all of my dry ingredients measured out minus the citric acid, because citric acid is crazy and it likes to get mad and it likes to blow up. So I'm not going to do that yet, but all of the other dry ingredients will be measured out right now. Alrighty. I have all of my tame ingredients. Really and truly, the easiest way to get your colors to disperse. Oh. It's not a happy spray bottle, but a little bit of rubbing alcohol is the best way to get your colorant to start to break up and spread apart. Next thing to go in, it's our lovely, lovely coconut oil, which basically holds the whole show together. Alrighty, I think it is every bath bomb maker's least favorite part, which would be the part where you add the citric acid. The part where if something's gonna go wrong, it's gonna go wrong now. Now, I just go ahead and strain my citric acid. One, you kind of get to spread it out all over your dry ingredients, or the ingredients you've already put together. And 2, it just helps kind of sift out those maybe less easily used chunks. When it comes to bath bombs, it really is better to be safer than sorry. Certainly isn't a fast straining ingredient, but it's worth it. And just to note, I have already added my fragrance oil, so that's in here. This is actually looking pretty solid already. Give it a couple more spurts of rubbing alcohol. Since I live in South Carolina, I do err on the side of a more dry mixture, because it doesn't matter if it's the middle of the winter or what. We got humidity. I live very close to several marshes, ponds, rivers, creeks, you name it, there's water. So the air is very watery. So like I said, I err on the side of a drier mixture. My rubbing alcohol bottle is really sounding horrible. If you've ever made bath bombs, you'll know that there is a time at which you can start to hear it. And that's the time when you're like, okay, get to molding. Time is running out. final stage of putting your bath bombs together is always a little bit frightening, because at that point the bath bomb makes sure it's starting to react a little bit, starting to show a little bit of its unhappiness, and it's ready to just be done with it. My fingers are nice and colorful. This is what I use to keep my bath bombs together in the fridge. It's just an egg carton, but it works perfectly for right after you've put these together and you need them to stay together, and just slide them in. It's like it was made for it. We are done with that. The nice thing is that once this video is released, those bath bombs are already going to be available on the website. So you can find those at www.simpleandbeautifullife.com. I have blueberry, which is what we just made today, citrus berry, which is essentially a berry with lemon and a little bit of orange zest, and it's delicious. I also have peppermint, and I will be coming out with a new scent in just a couple weeks that I think you will absolutely adore. And of course, it'll come in a soap and a bath bomb, because as we've established, you really can't live a happy life unless your bath bombs and your soap are matching. It's the small things in life that really make a big deal, and we know this makes a big deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of the support that you always give me. Thank you so much for purchasing these products and allowing me to do this with my life and provide you guys with bath products that truly love your skin, truly love you. I make everything. I spend so much time researching every single thing that goes into my bath products so that they truly can be the best thing that you can use. And I just love providing you guys with this. It makes my heart happy. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Do something fun, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!